Hello there. This video will show you how to check in patients. What does check-in mean? Check-in is nothing but recording the visit of a patient or admitting a patient. After you log in with your credentials, click on the left side list and choose check-in from the options. If you don't see this option, then you may not have the permission to check in a patient. Please contact your administrator for access. In the check-in page, first you need to mention the patient who is visiting the hospital. You can search by patient ID or name in this field, and you must select from the drop-down options. Next, if you would like to change the rate category for the patient, depending on how it is configured by your hospital administrator, do so. Else, leave it as is. Next, we need to mention who is the primary doctor that the patient has come to visit. Type the code or the doctor's name to search. You must choose from the drop-down list. Next, select the consultation type and choose from the drop-down. The next important information is whether you are admitting an outpatient or inpatient. Select type as inpatient and submit to check in the patient. Daycare patients will be considered as inpatients. To admit an inpatient, you must select the ward where they will be staying. You can leave the rest of the fields as default options and click on Submit. If you are aware of how the patient was referred to the hospital, select from the drop-down list in the Referred by list. Select admission type. Elective means they have some based on prior decision, such as a planned surgery. Emergency means they have come due to an emergency and it was not planned for. Transfer means they have been transferred from another hospital to here. For any other reason, select Other. Now submit to admit the new patient. A new visit ID or IP number is generated for the patient once you click on Submit, or it would take you to the billing page if you have access to it. There are multiple ways to get to this check-in page. You can do it by clicking the check-in button immediately after completing the registration, or you could also use the check-in button from the search page. If you need any help in future, please raise the ticket through this help icon on the top. Update the details and submit. This completes the check-in process for the inpatient. Thank you.